2 elderly passengers from the Diamond Princess cruise ship infected with the COVID-19 have died, government sources said Thursday, marking the first deaths from the vessel docked at Yokohama port. NHK reported that the two are a Japanese man and woman in their 80s, adding that they left the ship on February 11 and 12 and had been hospitalized. They also had pre-existing health issues, NHK said. The government sources said the two were among those taken off the ship who had been in serious condition. Japan has now seen 3 deaths from the virus. Meanwhile, the city of Fukuoka announced the same day it has confirmed that a man in his 60s living in the city has tested positive for the coronavirus. It is the first confirmed case in Kyushu. The Fukuoka case brought the number of domestic cases of COVID-19 to 85. The Diamond Princess, the huge vessel moored in Yokohama, is easily the biggest coronavirus cluster outside the Chinese epicenter, with 621 positive cases confirmed among the passengers and crew as of Wednesday. 443 passengers disembarked from the ship after testing negative for COVID-19 and not showing symptoms during a 14-day quarantine period. The complete removal of the passengers was expected to take at least 3 days. State media in China is warning Japan could become the next Wuhan as it experiences a fierce surge in coronavirus cases. A report published by the Global Times, a Chinese government newspaper, says web users are worried Japan has a lack of epidemic control and quarantine awareness. According to the report, Chinese web users are concerned too many public events are still being held in Japan. They said the low degree of caution the Japanese government takes on the virus sees Japan emerge on the same path to become the next Wuhan. The COVID-19 Outbreak Center, where strict in effect quarantine and viral control measures were not timely implemented at first, the Global Times reports. However, public events such as the Tokyo Marathon are now starting to shut down due to the outbreak. We'll work together with municipalities and accelerate the expansion of testing and treatment abilities to stop the virus from spreading and to prevent the infected people's conditions from getting worse, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe said, as reported by the Japan Times.